how to buy crypto on PayPal. So the crypto payment or the crypto buying option for PayPal is only available for certain countries. Not everyone is able to use that. And if it is supported for your PayPal account, you should find a tab or a button at the top bar here that says Finances or Crypto, which you can click on. And it should open up the cryptocurrency page where you can select the crypto you want to buy. So, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. And then just click on the buy button to buy the crypto. You can also select which payment method you want to use. You can use your current PayPal balance, or you can use your linked bank or card if it supports these type of transactions. And then you'll be able to review the fees and confirm the payment. And that's how you buy crypto on PayPal. And if you're holding crypto in some regions, you might not be able to transfer crypto to external wallets. Usually, this feature should be available for US accounts or USA based PayPal accounts. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.